Part 2. The Boy Who Knew Too Much. The next morning, Mia found herself arriving at the station 5 minutes earlier than usual. She told herself it was because she wanted to avoid the rush, but deep down, she knew she was hoping to see the mysterious stranger again. The morning air was cool, carrying the scent of rain that had fallen during the night. The coffee stand was already busy, and the familiar barista greeted her with a cheerful smile. The usual? The usual, Mia replied. Vanilla latte in hand, she walked toward platform 3. Her eyes searched the crowd without meaning to. Office workers, students, parents holding their children's hands, but no sign of him. She let out a quiet sigh. Maybe yesterday had simply been one of those moments that never happened twice. Then, "You're early today." She turned around so quickly that a few drops of coffee splashed onto her sleeve. The young man laughed. "I didn't mean to scare you." "You didn't," Mia replied, trying and failing to hide her smile. "I just wasn't expecting you." "I was." He looked at the station clock. "You usually arrive at 8:12. Today it was 8:07. She folded her arms. "How do you keep noticing these things?" He grinned. "I pay attention." "And do you memorize everyone else's schedule too?" "No, just yours." For a moment, neither of them spoke. Mia felt her cheeks grow warm. No one had ever said something so simple, yet somehow so meaningful. She finally broke the silence. "You still haven't told me your name." He held out his hand. "Ashir." She smiled and shook it. "Mia. It's nice to finally know the name of the girl with the vanilla latte." She laughed, "And it's nice to finally know the name of the guy who have been secretly studying my morning routine." "Guilty?" The loudspeaker announced that the train would be delayed by 10 minutes. For the first time, neither of them minded. They talked about ordinary things, their favorite seasons, the book they never finished reading, the songs they kept replaying, the little bakery outside the station that always smelled like cinnamon. The conversation flowed so nicely that it felt as though they had known each other for years instead of minutes. When the train finally arrived, Mia smiled. "I guess this is goodbye." "For today?" "For today," Asher corrected. She stepped towards the train, then paused. "Will you be here tomorrow?" He looked at her with that same quiet smile. "I have never missed a morning." The train doors closed. As Mia found a seat by the window, she looked back at platform 3. Asher was still standing exactly where she had left him. He lifted a hand in a small wave. She smiled and waved back. For the rest of the journey, she couldn't stop smiling. She had no idea. Before the week was over, one simple question would turn her ordinary mornings into something impossible. Because the next time they met, Asher was going to ask her a question that no one should ever had to answer. "What year is it?"